welcome to watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on May 26th. Market analysis. Last Friday, U.S. President Trump threatened to impose a 50% tariff on European goods, which caused the global trade war tension to heat up again. The demand for hedging increased, and the spot gold market regained its strength. Last Friday, the spot gold market peaked at $3,365.95 per ounce and finally closed at $3,357.90 per ounce. After the opening of Asia and early trading this trading day, the market gaped and opened lower, reaching a low of $3,331.56 per ounce and currently trading at $3,348. Recently, the market focuses on the trade tariffs and the recent progress of negotiations between the parties to geopolitical conflicts. At the same time, the future direction of the Fed's monetary policy will also affect the market direction. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is in a high shock stage. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of $33.31 to $33.57. which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,357 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at 33.67 to 33.77. If the afternoon market breaks 3,331 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at 33.21 to 33.11. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in the main rising mood in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in the shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillation range is 1.1387 to 1.1420. If the market breaks 1.1420 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1480 to 1.1520. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1387 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 1.1340 to 1.1310. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. On the hourly chart, the exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in a rising mood, and on the 15-minute chart it is in a shock stage, with a shock range of 1.3518 to 1.3595. If the market breaks 1.3595 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3630 to 1.3660. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3518 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 1.3480 to 1.3450. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a rising mood in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6480 to 0.6538. If the market breaks 0.6480 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6520 to 0.6560. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6480 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be 0.6440 to 0.6410. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The hourly chart of US dollar to Japanese yen exchange rate is in a shock stage. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock interval is 142.22 to 143.10. If the market breaks 143.10 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 143.80 to 144.30. If the afternoon market breaks 142.22 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 141.80 to 141.40. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.